TWC, it's your boy TWP Popcorn back at you with another video. Y'all know how we do. Slide over here to the butter. Get that sizzling. And we're going to do a few things because, I like to ride around in these YouTube streets. If you ever want to catch a ride, see what I'm talking about, roll up, listen. Take you some notes if you want. Alright, that's the butter, right? Minimize. That's the popcorn. See, I did it right that time. Didn't even have to think about it. Alright, so now we're going to get off of there. Get out of there. Stop looking at my background. Team DWC, that's what we all talking about, baby. But let's get to the intro on the video. What we supposed to be doing today. Alright, so anyways, Team DWC, y'all know what we was doing in our last video. We started doing a bucket drop. It didn't quite go through as planned. But y'all know with Team DWC, we gotta make sure whatever work we putting in sticks. So anybody got time for our stuff not to stick? You see what I'm saying? Today's bucket drop video was a hot mess, messy. You see what I'm saying? And it covered the start of the bucket drop, but the bucket drop didn't go all the way through. So since it didn't go through, we're gonna see where she is currently right now. You see what I'm saying? Here's her page over here. But we'll go to the video that we was putting up watch. About what we got going on.
And looked at my notifications, and someone said, "Congratulations for making 1K." And I'm like, 1K? Last time I checked, I was at 982, and I hadn't been on YouTube for a while, like, well and stuff. And
Wasn't a bucket dump, it's a bucket drop.
Tomorrow morning we wake up and I'm going to make a video thanking everybody for getting me 2,000 subscribers. This happened to me before, and then I just quit YouTube for a while. You know, pandemic and all that stuff happened. So then I go and I was really thinking about, wait a minute, it just has, it's just so I go and I check, and guess what? I'm not at 1K anymore. I 980, it's like I was an extra 2 subscribers. What is that about, guys? I don't know. What is that about? Tell me. Anyhow, you know what? I don't care. I have 180 subscribers that I am very, very, very thankful for. I love you guys, and it's great. And I don't need to get 1K anyhow. And it was just a weird phenomenon.
Anyways, Missy didn't know what was going on because you know me, I'm very cryptic and I just make the moves. I don't want to sit here and tell you what's going on. She was at 980. I tried to hit her with a 20 pad. I guess it took 20 of her other subscribers away because when I checked back on my accounts, which was on my other phone right here, it still says that they are subscribed and active, but YouTube doesn't want to get her monetized yet, so we're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna go back through and roll them again because you know when I do a bucket drop, not a bucket dump, bucket drop, you know my shit usually stick. But like she said, she hit the 1K, and here is the video that I did the bucket drop on because this is the part of the video I didn't show y'all, so I came back to put it on this one before we get started with what I was going to talk about today in the topic. Anyway, so you know this is how we do. I told y'all, strap in, roll up, we going for a ride. And we almost here. See, here it is, bucket drop. Bam. It's one of my ghosts. You know, a loyal Team DWC account. No content, right? So then we're gonna go back, pause on our video. Back down to this bucket drop. And view all 16 replies. See, damn near all the comments that I put on here from my other accounts. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. That's why it's a bucket drop. You see what I'm saying? Popcorn drops his popcorn buckets on you. But I'm gonna go through these here again later on and make sure that these stick. So, like I said, I want to make sure y'all knew that in the video it got covered. You see what I'm saying? We'll go back to today's video on the dashboard. Content. And we'll fast forward to the part of the video to where you can see that I had her at 1,000. content creator because y'all should be hitting them up, especially if you see them in the comments. Don't be scared. They down there. And like I said, this gets me to bring back the second part of what I was trying to do, which is make sure I go back and show support to everybody I'm supposed to be showing support to. You see what I'm saying? Notice how everybody here says subscribe. Damn, there she goes. Hot mess, Missy. 1K. Earlier, she was at 980. Congratulations. She should have her 1K subscribers. This is what Buck dropped. You see what I'm saying? Figure out which one of my friends is close. Hot mess, Missy. Bang. Look, here it is. 1K here, right? Here's the proof. It's the receipts. You see what I'm saying? As they say, show the receipts in the work. 1K. Earlier, like I said in the first part of the video, it was at 980. Who did that? Popcorn. Who did that? I ain't got all that detail from this house. We've been here for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of seeing it. Tired of seeing it. See, that's how we do it. Team DWC. Your boy TWP Popcorn. I don't know what I'm doing with the rest of this video. This is just a little first part of it. I'm gonna throw y'all some slides and some grow pics, and y'all see what's going on. If y'all ain't checking out the Instagram, which is the same as the Cash App, which is the same as the YouTube, TWP Popcorn. Y'all will see the face that y'all see right here on the screen with y'all. You see what I'm saying? It's a nice screen. They stole my smoking skull, so I went and found something that was more resonating with my soul currently. You see what I'm saying? I've been slapping hard last year. Look at them plants. That's when they was looking good. A couple of them might have some knockout from the look of it, but the rest look good. Look at him. Anyways, stay tuned. We'll get this Sunday video figured out. It's Team DWC, TWP Popcorn.